So after draining the water from the pasta noodles, you put in a strainer, and then you put the pasta noodles back into the pot.
Yes.
And then what do you do?
Now I'm gonna mix a big chunk of butter.
Ooh, butter. I love butter.
Let it melt into the pasta
Okay.
while it's hot.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna mix some milk
Okay.
and a cheese mix.
So you've got the pasta noodles, which are now soft and cooked, and you're adding butter till it melts,
Yes.
then a little bit of milk, and then a powdered cheese sauce.
Yes.
How often do you make this kind of meal?
Not very often.
Mm.
Once in a while, I would say.
I see. Yeah. Mac and cheese. I know people know the name of this pasta style is macaroni, but people just like to say mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Yeah, good. When you make mac and cheese, do you ever put things in like sausage or shrimp or anything like that?
When I want to make it gourmet.
Ooh, that would be gourmet mac and cheese. I see. Gotcha. So you've already put the butter in?
Yes. Now I'm
Nice.
putting the milk.
Okay.
And then here comes the cheese powder.
Ooh, okay. All right. So you just let it rest in there? What happens?
Oh, you gotta mix it all together well.
Mix it all together well? Ooh, good sentence. Mix it all together well. Mix it all together well. How could I say that in Korean?
전부 잘 섞어주세요.
전부.
Yes.
전부 is all. I forget the rest. 전부. 잘 is well.
섞어주세요.
전부 잘 섞어주세요.
Yes.
섞어주세요 is what? Mix?
Mix.
Oh.
Yeah.
So mix it all together well. 전부 잘 섞어주세요.
That's correct.
Oh, okay. Very good.
Mixing it well, letting the color spread
Ooh.
on the pasta noodles.
Good. Smells good. I'm looking forward to having some mac and cheese.
Should be ready just about. Now I'm gonna transfer it over to a bigger bowl.
Okay. Now I know that pasta tastes great with tomato sauce or sometimes with olive oil and garlic. There are many ways, even a cream sauce. But pasta with a cheese sauce, is that, I wonder if that's really originally an Italian dish.
I don't think so. I would say this is more American than Italian.
Oh, I see. So this kind of a pasta dish is kind of close to instant or fast food, and unless you add a lot of stuff to make it gourmet.
Yeah.
And it's probably originally created in America.
I would say so.
Do you think this kind of a pasta dish is high calorie?
Most likely, definitely for sure, actually.
Well, we don't want to talk about that then. Oh, I see.